gonna do the raiden in some wind today. You could see it. I don't know how good she's gonna fly, but it's been a while. Woo, windy. Might be a little too windy for this little bird. Look at that thing jump around. Nice. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's got no power to like pull out of a windy situation. Look at that. We're going to try and keep it away from that corner. It's way too windy. We'll just fly her right over here. What a trip. Yeah, this thing is so light. I can't believe it's flying. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Oh. Oh, whoa. Yeah, it's real windy today. Too windy for this little thing. Yeah, this thing needs zero wind. Zero. It's flying. Shockingly. Whoop, wind's pushing it. Gotta play with the throttle to keep it going. Nice. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Big gust there. I'm running this on a high voltage battery, 1S 300 Cat 2 battery. Give it a little more oomph in this wind. It's working. She's jumpy in the wind. I like it though. This thing is fun to fly, even in the wind. It's challenging over here. The wind push it right into the trees, if anything, or right to the ground. It's like dancing. Ooh, windy, windy. I'm gonna land it. That's 2 minutes over to 5 minutes. Whoa, big lift there. I like it. This plane's excellent. Now we glide it right in. Look at that. There's no power on that. Doop. That is something. Nice. That's the raiden today in high wind. It's pretty good. I did a couple of mods to this thing. They had a carbon fiber rod in it. There's the battery. Tattoo 300 high voltage. I added a carbon fiber rod to it. And then no screws, I just added packing tape and then taped it here and here to make it tight so the wing doesn't move. But you guys great in the wind. It's hairy in the wind, but it's fun. Alright, have a nice day. See you on the next flight.